I'm out here in Columbia, South Carolina, and Harmon's got his 77 Camaro here with a built 400. He's got some money in this. Look how meticulous he was about everything. That's pretty and clean. Love it. Nice looking 77. I like the silver too. What kind of seats you got in there?
Those come out of a Scion FRS and Super BRZ.
Okay.
Those are the same seats. They are factory Recaro racing buckets.
Oh wow, factory Recaro racing buckets. That's crazy. It's a good looking ride. Got some meat on them tires too. Yeah, them seats look nice. I like that. Nice touch. Part of what I like about this Camaro is the wing. Got some old school center lines. I like that. You want to start it up? I want to hear this thing run.
You can hear it back in. That's pretty good. It's got a solid roller in it.
Okay. I'll start up here. Sounds good. You guys be sure to like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching my videos. Have a good one.